You've probably used an AI chatbot. You type a question, it types back an answer. But over the past year, a different kind of AI has moved into the spotlight: the AI agent. So what exactly is an agent, and how is it different? Let's break it down. Here's the simplest way to understand it. A chatbot responds. An agent acts. A chatbot gives you information, and then it's up to you to do something with it. An agent is designed to actually carry out a task on your behalf, taking multiple steps, making decisions along the way, and working toward a goal with limited human input. So, if you ask a chatbot to plan a trip, it gives you a suggested itinerary. An agent, in principle, could search for flights, compare prices, fill in the booking details, and add the trip to your calendar, completing the steps, not just describing them. An AI agent generally operates in a loop with 4 parts. First, it receives a goal. Second, it makes a plan, breaking that goal into smaller steps. Third, it takes action, often by using external tools, searching the web, running code, or connecting to other software. And fourth, it observes the result, checks its progress, and adjusts. It repeats this cycle until the task is complete. The key idea is that the language model acts as the reasoning engine, while the tools give it the ability to affect the world beyond just generating text. In practice, agents are being applied to areas like software development, where they can write and test code across multiple files. In customer support, where they can resolve a request from start to finish. And in research, where they can gather and organize information from many sources. Industry surveys suggest that while a majority of organizations are experimenting with agents, only a minority have deployed them at scale. The technology is advancing quickly, but adoption is still in an early phase. It's important to be balanced here. Agents have real constraints. Because they take multiple steps, a small error early on can compound into a larger mistake later. They can struggle with tasks requiring long-term reliability, and they typically need human oversight for anything high stakes. In other words, an agent's autonomy is also its main risk. The more independently it acts, the more carefully its work needs to be checked. So, in summary, an AI agent is a system that doesn't just answer questions, but pursues goals, planning, using tools, and adapting as it goes. It represents a shift from an I that informs to an I that acts. Whether that shift proves transformative or incremental will be one of the defining questions of the years ahead. Thanks for watching. If you'd like more explainers like this one, consider subscribing.